Welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, the same Yul Edochie, when he used Judy Austin children, take the pepper his own children. Because many people think, say, Yul Edochie was using Judy Austin children to pepper May Edochie. They not fit use the children pepper May Edochie because May Edochie, she too, she gets her own children. Very beautiful, handsome, and intelligent children. So there is no way Judy Austin fit use her children to pepper May Edochie. But they were using these children to pepper Yul Edochie children. Yes. Why? Because May Edochie children refuse to accept Judy Austin. The fact of this matter be say, no be only May Edochie reject Judy Austin. Even the children of Yul Edochie, they rejected Judy Austin. When Yul Edochie bring Judy Austin come into that family, he can't try to convince his children. After he see say May Edochie refuse to accept Judy Austin, he can't try, won't convince his children put for his side. He even go as far carry Bible, can't they use Bible till they preach am. He can't they use Bible till they preach and say, God accept polygamy. Is he not the one that blessed David, blessed Solomon, blessed all of them with many wives? He can't try to use the Bible. Be that these children, they are matured enough, they grow enough, they understand everything when it happens. The children refused to fall for his trap. And they rejected him. And they rejected Judy Austin. Now that thing called the pepper Yul Edochie. When he come, they use the children, then the pepper. When he come, they use Judy Austin children, then the pepper children. Una not see the way they announce Universal Thunder. Oh, finally, baby girl. Finally, baby girl. Everybody come surprise. We look front, we look back. We look right, we look left. This man have a daughter before. Which one he come dey shout, my daughter, as if it is somebody that don't have a girl child before. The same thing also apply for Judy Austin. No? Even Judy Austin come out on social media, they talk say the most important thing wey don't happen to her, the sweetest thing when he gets, the two things when it matter most to his life. Now, this is daughter and Yul Edochie. When we check, the same Judy Austin still get daughter. So why are they curious about this daughter? Just to pepper Daniela. Because Daniela rejected her. Not only their mother rejected Judy Austin, their children rejected her. So those children was to pepper May Edochie children. And Yul Edochie confess say, these children, they will become Solomon and David. Why May Edochie own, they will become nothing. But when he can't grow now, he can't begin to see the element of children with Judy Austin born for her. Children that cannot even express themselves. Children that cannot even talk well. The third one where he born, they don't even understand that. Now Yul Edochie come begin to notice say, these ones will be like say you abandon. Be like say na then I be the roots. Now Yul Edochie begin change in mind. Now, the same children, when Yul Edochie not call anything, the same children when Yul Edochie drag for this social media, the same children when Yul Edochie disgrace, put shame for their body, same children now don't run, go meet now. The same children. My people, Yul Edochie is a confused man. This man, confused man, now he be. He don't know where he dey. He don't know why they tell him, say Yul Edochie be like snake. You know, say snake not get direction. He go just they go. Any whole way, just he go just enter. Anywhere, just he not get direction. As in they go, now so they find a road they go. Now so Yul Edochie be. Today, na Lazy God. Tomorrow, na Judy Austin. Next tomorrow, back to May Edochie. This was the kind of game when Yul Edochie won't play. But he met the wrong woman. The only people where if he play this game with, now Lazy God and Judy Austin. Now they're desperate to be in his life. May Edochie is not desperate to be in a man that has betrayed her life. Now, do you know this saying una Yul Edochie? Don't turn and go meet his two children, Daniela and Kai. They say for some weeks, they say they go 1 week now when Yul Edochie they disturb them. If they go more than 1 week, when Yul Edochie, they disturb them. According to Daniela and Kai, they say Yul Edochie, they send a message, text messages with pictures. They are old pictures. You go send the picture, go say, what a lovely family. What a beautiful family. What an excellent family. You go even send some, go say the devil is a liar. They want to destroy a lovely and unity family. But the power of God is greater. They say they can't surprise. Which kind of message they call they receive from this man? They not still send them because they know say their papa na drama man. If they take Nollywood into reality, if just feel say wetin they act for movie, how they happen for real life. Because if you look Yul Edochie life, you see say it's like Nollywood movie. When people know they believe but naive. So the children know they reply now. If they say that, so they send the message, sometimes 6 messages a day with all their old pictures. Daniela, see the way I love you. Daniela, see the way I care for you. Daniela, we need to join our family together. You go call Kai, go send, still go give Kai. Kai, you are now an adult. You don't grow. You know good and bad. And the best thing we can do now is unite as family and fight our enemy. Hey, who is not the enemy? Now, Lizzie Gold have been a Judy Austin. This man is confused. As this man confused, I better not confuse us. Let us know what we talk on social media. Because when we carry the thing come now, people say, did you know say was chasing Lizzie Gold? Me, myself, I want to know what today Yul Edochie mind. When the be say Yul Edochie go wake up every morning, it's either you wake up on the right side or you wake up on the left side. Depend on where you wake, now so they give us show. Now, the children I complain come outside, not be say we hear them from outside. No. Daniela and Kai, they are the one on this matter now. Because they say they are fed up of this man. This man keep on disturbing them, especially Kai, when they medical school, when they study medicine. He said this man, they disturb them morning, afternoon, evening. Messages with their old pictures. Oh, what is he asking for? According to Yul Edochie, he said it is time they come together as family. It is time they unite. He said the enemy tried to break them, but God no agree. He said they need unity, and the only people that can do it is Kai and Daniela. Make Kai and Daniela, make they talk to me, Edochie. Make they go family dinner. Make they sit down, discuss this matter as a family. Let them settle. That means Kai and Daniela, they should beg their mother. Make they beg me, Edochie. Make they settle. The settlement will just come quietly. Then all of a sudden, bam, for the social media, everybody will see them together. It will be like a film. Make Daniela convince me, Edochie. There is nothing outside. He don't go. Nothing there. It's all a waste of time. Family is family. You are all that matters to him. You, people, and your mother. That means that Daniela and Kai with Zin and me, Edochie, he said, na be the thing will matter to a life. He said every other thing, he said, na jara. He said, Daniela, Kai, both of you can fix our own. He gave your children, they grow rich. They go settle papa and mama. He said at this stage now, Daniela and Kai hand na a day to settle he and me, Edochie. Because he no say he no fit talk to me, Edochie again. At this point, now the Daniela. Now they're supposed to do their work. No matter the sin, they should ignore. No matter what happen, they should ignore and devil work. You see why you should protect yourself. If they don't do bad finish, they'll say na devil work. Yul Edochie way open the clear eyes. They put pepper for your children eye. He say na devil work. Oh. And true, some people say na devil work. Forget he say this man with a clear eye. Now they do bad for this social media. Now they drag your wife for this social media. Now Yul Edochie say na devil. Make your children settle he and his wife. He's not calling me Edochie Yesu. No be those one we go to talk for broadcast. My wife now they call me Edochie. And not be only these children don't confirm. Everybody around Yul Edochie know say Yul Edochie no they call me Edochie ex-wife. He's still calling her my wife. You guess what kind of things when you go talk, you go say, my wife. Whether I'm a mistake or whether I not remember again, I don't know. But now waiting they call me Edoche. Now for only that broadcast, now I won't do Odogu, Lion of the Judah. They stand and be the tribe of Judah. We won't we not be. Now I go to tell them my S. The same man when he say na S, he don't begin to beg his children. Say make his children beg me Edoche. Me they do surprise settlements. This man, I don't know sometimes whether he's really okay. I don't know. Matter we don't go this far. You will don't start your life. How do you even start explaining to me, Edoche? Where the forgiveness won't come from? Like, I don't get it. Why is it that this man, Yul Edochie, has refused to heal? Do you know the problem of Yul Edochie? Yul Edochie no heal. You see, me Edochie and her children, they heal well. Because me Edochie, after the divorce, me Edochie not fall down, sit down for his house. Me Edochie and herself and her children, they go psychologist, whereby they went under this treatment of betrayal, this hot betrayal when it hits them. You know, such a thing can drain your energy. And it can even have some meta thinkness, so it will make you they think backwardness. So May Edochie did not only go for this treatment, she carried her children follow body. They did the process. For 6 months, they went under this treatment. And they are fine. They have healed. Go reach the small one. All of them, they have healed. The person wey no gree heal na Yul Edochie. Now be this ability when he dey commit. When he be say no get, he no know where he dey. He never heal. Now make am dey vex for all women. If you see where Yul Edochie dey talk down on women, you know believe say na woman kpekus na he pass come outside o. You go think say they shit am. You go think say na backyard na he pass come outside. The way they talk about women. They say whole way carry you come life. The same whole way you first see before you come life. Before you see anything, now that woman thing now you first see. And you dare open your mouth, you are talking down on woman. Your life go bend. You go bend like Nigeria economic. Now I make your life bend like Nigeria economic. After all they want, don't use and destroy your home, scatter your home. Me Edochie don't heal. Our children don't heal. They don't move on. Oga say no. He said the family need to unite. Una have to say family need to unite. They need to join back together. They need to carry the patch, the cloth way out here. They need to sew. Maybe become new one. Hey, sometimes, my people. So Yul Edochie has been disturbing his children. Seriously, this thing is getting out of hand. Messages like it don't come out for messages. This thing is not like they boo them. You understand? They boo them. Now so it can be. Because at this point, the children self don't tire, especially Kai. He say early morning, they'll just wake up. The way Yul Edochie will take write the message, you will think I want better man. So, my people, these are the messages that Yul Edochie has been disturbing his children with. That they should reconcile, that they should beg me Edochie. So the children not greeted their mama say, make their mama see what they happen. They just decide, say, okay, may they ignore this man. May they just leave him for a word. But the children now say the way things they go is getting out of hand. Morning, afternoon, sometimes 6 messages a day. Now so you go put cry emoji. You go put cry emoji. You go put love emoji. The next thing go tell them say, if this settlement no come, he will end it all. He's fed up. He's tired. He can't continue like this. He need his family. You people mean everything to him. Since we wanna live, his life no balance. For his life to balance, we need to settle. And this settlement is not coming from him. The settlement should start with his children. Make his children convince their mama. Because at this point, the only person when if he talk to me Edochie, now Daniela and Kai. Now so Yul Edochie talk more. He said now only Kai and Daniela, now if he convince me Edochie, make me Edochie take her back. My people, waiting we not go see for Yul Edochie hand. After the turning round, after all he did to these children, after all he did to me Edochie, this man defines settlement. Is this just an ordinary settlement? Or is a settlement for one evil plan? Because the last person I'm going to trust is Yul Edochie. Are you for sure this man is not coming with one plan? Saying define settlement, make Daniela and Kai consentora. As how? Daniela and Kai is their name, me Edochie. Ademi Edochie. So you know, say the woman don't move on. You know, say the woman not send you. And you see, say na settlement. Now you define. Settlement as that. What is your plan, Yul Edochie? What is your plan towards me, Edochie? Always using the children to get to her. Always trying to use the children as a weapon. This is what me, Edochie, warned you about. That you should leave the children out of this matter. When they go carry Judy Austin, did you take permission from these children? When you be saying that the children right now, when you be saying you say the children are they supposed to settle you and me, Edochie. Did you tell them you were going to Nakademo's Judy Austin? Or did you tell them they say you won't give Judy Austin but let me keep born children outside your marriage? Did you tell these children? Now don't turn around again. No, now another level now it come now. This time around, they say me Edochie should forgive him. Me Edochie should have mercy and forgive him. That they should come back and unite as one family. He said the best thing that can happen to them this December is all of them being together as a one family. And he put the work for Daniela and Kai body. And as I talk to una so they disturb these children with messages and pictures. And these children say they are fed up, they are tired. They've tried to tell him that he should move on. Make him move on, make it continue from where he did. Make him not worry. They are not angry with him. Make it continue. He don't already start life. They say they don't explain 1,000,000 times. Give this man. This man has refused to listen. They take and say, okay, make the liver and go tire. But this man not the tire. 6 messages, 7 messages a day. Now saying, I'm missing you. I want to see you people. You people come and visit me. I want to come and visit you people. Talk to your mother. Can't I come to Ajah Mansion? Can't I come and stay 2 days with my children? It's not that I'm going to sleep with her. I will sleep with Kai. I will sleep with Daniela. I will sleep with in Zin room. I will sleep in your rooms. You see the kind mentality where they this my head. So Daniela and Kai see and say, this one not be waiting, they won't ignore Yul Edochie again. Because he's becoming obsessed. Yul Edochie say the grass is greener outside. How don't meet una ato? Yeah, I don't see coin for outside. Confused man. He's not married. He's not a polygamous. He's not a single. He's in a confused stage. He himself not know where he is. After they don't turn around, they see and say that thing where they find go outside. They not see her. They'll come back. Expecting the same woman when they broke into pieces to accept them. My people, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.